Is it your testimony that the firearm, which you say is the firearm that Rulofs used to work on initially before you could work on it, the barrel thereof was so worn out that it couldn't really transfer the required marks, or most of the marks, into the test bullets?
Uthe umbhobho lesisibhamu esisetshenziswa ibisiguge kakhulu kangangoba ibingasashiyi lutho lapha enhlamvini.
Well, it was worn out, but it could transfer the markings, but not clear markings to it. You could see the markings. When you look at your exhibit, you can see there are markings on it, but not completely what we call wall to wall, where you see all the markings on your exhibit.
So nanoma ke ukugile lo mbhobho lesisibhamu kodwa kukhona impawu awushiya la kulezi zinhlamvu.
So in other words, it could not consistently transfer the marks into the bullet.
Usho ukuthi ke ibingashiyi izimpawu ngendlela engaguquki.
That's correct. It could not consistently transfer those markings, but there were markings transferred to it.
Yebo kunjalo ibingakwazi ukuthi ishiye impawu ngendlela efanayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kodwa sikhona impawu ebishiya kulezi zinhlamvu.
And nonetheless, you went on to conclude that indeed the firearm, or not the firearm, the bullets that you fired from this firearm and those that you got from Mr. Rulofs, despite the fact that there was no consistent transfer of this mark, but you then went on to conclude that those test bullets were fired from this one firearm.
Kodwa usho ukuthi ke uphethe ngokuthi ke inhlamvu ezidutshulwe nguwe nezidutshulwe wabo ziphuma zidutshulwe isibhamu esisodwa.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo.
Now, you earlier on said that the one out of a barrel would result into a slippage of a bullet when it is being fired, not so?
Uthe ke ukuguga kombhobho esibhamu agcina wenze ukuthi inhlamvu ishelele la ngaphakathi kunjalo.
That's correct.
Yebo kunjalo.
Thank you, sir. Now, that process, the slippage, would it have an effect on the transfer of the marks to the bullet?
Manje ukushela kanjalo kungenza kube nomthelela ekushiyekeni kwezimpawu enhlamvini.
My lord, the slippage itself could create some other markings, but you could not get the same slippage where all your bullets will slip the same way and will pick up the same markings. The slippage you could see, but the markings on the slippage, you cannot also match them with other bullets, on the other bullets, but you can see that there was slippage.
Manje ukushelela lokho ke kwenza ukuthi ke inhlamvu eziphuma esibhamini ziphumeke zinempawu ezahlukahlukile kodwa ke lokho akwenzi ukuthi ke kugcine kungasabonakalanga nakancane ukuthi lezi inhlamvu ziphuma esibhamini esisodwa.
So, in other words, the slippage does also have an effect on the consistent transfer of the marks into the bullet.
Usho ukuthi ke lokhu kushelela lokhu kuyenza gcina ke kwenze ukuthi kube nokuguquguquka kwendlela ke umbhobho oshiya ke impawu enhlamvini.
That's correct, my lord.
Yebo kunjalo.
Now, having found that there's a match between the FMJs that you fired from the firearm and those that were fired by Mr. Rulofs, did you then request somebody to come and override your testing, as you did in this case where you requested Mr. Serrero to override your test or examination?
Njengoba ke kunohlukana ke kulama FMJ aphume kuwena naphuma ku Rulofs bekukhona yini ozile wazochaza ukuthi khona umehluko phakathi lezi zinhlamvu?
No, my lord, because those are only the tests. That's why I wanted to confirm that this is the same firearm. I wanted to confirm myself that this is the same firearm.
Cha phela bengikwenza lapho ukuzama ukuletha isiqiniseko sokuthi isona lesi sibhamu lesi sasetshenziswa uRulofs.
Thank you. Now, let's go to the firearms, not firearms, the bullets, which were made of, from NGA. You say you also fired 2 bullets in this regard, not so?
Inhlamvu embili eziphuma udubule inhlamvu embili ezivela kwa NGA akunjalo?
That's correct.
Yebo kunjalo.
You take us through the test which you did after having fired these bullets from NGA as well.
Ke sichazele ukuthi wenzele phohlaziyo emva ukuthi udubulele zinhlamvu.
My lord, I fired all the tests 8 tests. After firing all the 8 tests,
Yes.
I started comparing the 2 FMJs with rule officers test, and then thereafter, I started comparing all the tests with the exhibit bullet.
Usho ukuthi ke engiqale ngakwenza ukudubula zonke lezi zinhlamvu ezo8 emva kwaloko ke ngase ngihlola ke afa FMJ nalezi zinhlamvu eziphuma ku rule officer emva kwaloko ngase ke ngiqhathanisa zonke ke lezi zinhlamvu engizidubulile iziqhathanisa nale engiyinikiwe.
Yes, Lieutenant Colonel, I understand, but I'm now at the NGA. What does NGA stand for?
Nje emeleni
New generation ammunition.
bathi ko umele new generations ammunition.
Just a second. Now we're at the new generation ammunition. Now we are now looking at these 2 bullets, test bullets that you fired, which are the new generation ammunition. What did you do with them?
Bathi wenzeni ke ngalezi zinhlamvu ezidubulile ezivela kwa new generations ammunition.
What did I do with them? I compared them with the exhibit bullet from the crime scene.
Thank you.
From who?
From the crime scene.
Ngiqhathanise nale nhlamvu etholakale ke endaweni yesigameko.
Now, did you not compare them with the bullets? I mean, with the test bullets that were from Rudolph's testing?
Oh, zama
and
ngayini
foremost.
ukuthi uziqhathanise nalezi zinhlamvu ezazidutshulwe uRudolph.
I can't recall whether I've compared them also with the, but I started comparing, once I saw that I started comparing the exhibit bullet with all the tests, not only the new generation, with all the tests that I have fired.
Angisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi ngizihlolile yini ngaleyo ndlela kodwa ke ngigcine sengihlola ke zonke lezi zinhlamvu ngihlola nale nhlamvu lena ephuma ke endaweni yesigameko.
Now, is it correct, Lieutenant Colonel, that as you are working on these experiments, you've got your own working station where you're recording each and everything that you're doing there, not so?
Kunjalo ukuthi khona indawo nje la osebenzela kuyona uma wenza wonke lo msebenzi wakho.
I'm recording each and everything that I'm doing. Is that the question?
Yes.
Umbuzo ukuthi usho ukuthi khona la ngibhala khona ukuthi yini yonke engiyenzayo.
No, I know, I understand. You can't write now, I'm standing up, I'm going to the bathroom. Now you can't write, I'm standing up, I'm going to drink Coca-Cola. If you're smoking, you can't write now, I'm standing up, I'm going to smoke. I'm taking a break. I mean, in relation to the substantive work that you were busy with there.
Ngiyavuka ukuthi angeke ubhale wonke ukuthi ngisaye ngasendlini encane uma kuwukuthi uyabhema angeke ubhale nokuthi ngisayobhema kodwa ngisho ukuthi ke mayelana nomsebenzi owenzayo ukuthi khona wonke okubhalayo.
Well, when I work on the microscope, what I'll do is put my exhibit on my left hand side, and then all my tests I'll put them on my right hand side. I'll pick any of the bullets, start matching it with my exhibit. I'll check all the length and all the grooves. If I see any matching striations, I'll mark which groove did I see with it's either marking pen or corky pen. And once I have some similarities on the other one, I'll put it aside and then I'll take another one. If I don't find enough or on the same spot, I'll check with this one. If I see another mark, I'll mark it again where I found this one. I'll put it on the side. I'll take the other one.
Engikwenzayo ukuthi ke ngiyengibeke inhlamvu ke engizozihlola esandleni sami sokudla bese ngithatha ke inhlamvu eyodwa ngiyihlola lapha ku microscope. Uma kukhona ke izimpawu engizitholayo ngiyamakha lapha ngiyakusho ukuthi ngikhona engibhalayo ukukhombisayo ukuthi cha kukhona engitholile lapha. Uma ukuthi akho lutho engitholayo ngibekela ngaseceleni. Uma kukhona engitholayo futhi khona indawo la engizibeka khona ngiqhubeka kanjalo kanjalo.
But once I'm done with them, what I'll do is I'll look for the mark that I can use for court preparation or for court chart.
Yes.
I'll check from those ones that I have checked. The one with the better mark that I think will be clearly when I take a picture of it. I'll use that one to take pictures and then put them aside.
Manje mase kudlula lapho ngithatha ke lezi zinhlamvu lezi engibonayo ukuthi sinezimpawu engakwazi ukuthi ngisebenziseke uma sengizilungiselela ukuza eqhulweni kwecala enkantolo. Kodwa ke kusho ukuthi ke la engibona lezi engibonayo ukuthi sinezimpawu ezingathi zibonakala ngcono ngizibele eceleni ngoba ngifuna ukuthi ngisebenzise zona.
Thank you. No, that I understand. Thank you very much for that explanation, sir. But the point is, with this new generation ammunition, having fired them, having had the opportunity to analyze them, that's where my point is. Now you are saying you don't know whether not really know. You can't remember whether you actually compared them with rule of test exhibit or not. Not so.
Hayi ngibuzayo ukuthi awuzange uqhathanise yini lezi zinhlamvu zase-NGA ney'nhlamvu zika-rule of say.
Comparing my other test with rule of test.
Not other tests, I'm being specific. Compare. You are saying you can't recall whether you compared the new generation ammunition after having fired them with the rule of test test bullets, not so.
Enqonde ngqokwana ukuthi awuzange uqhathanise izinhlamvu ezivela ka New Generations Ammunition nezinhlamvu ebezidudulwe uRudolphs.
My Lord, I want to clear something. When I have all my tests fired, I have them here. When I start comparing, I don't look at whether it's new generation. I'll just pick a bullet and compare. So the first ones that I started with, I said they're the FMJs.
Yes.
I started with the FMJs. I compared the FMJs, and then I put them in. When I started, I can't recall whether I also did with the same exercise with the other bullets. But I continued. When I started continuing, I took my exhibit bullet and put them on the left-hand side.
Yes.
Started comparing it with all those other exhibits that I had with me.
Angisakhumbula ukuthi lokho ngikwenzile yini ngalesi inhlamvu eziphuma ka New Generations Ammunition. Kodwa engikhumbulayo ukuthi ngiqale ngathatha lezi FMJ ngasihlola ngasiqhathanisa nezaka nezika Rudolphs. Angisakhumbula ukuthi emva kwalokho ke ngithathe iziphi ngaze ngasihlola ngayiphi indlela.
So you saying you still can't recall exactly what you did.
Kusho ukuthi kosakushoko ukuthi awusakhumbuli kahle ukuthi wenzani.
That's correct, man, because the whole exercise did not take an hour or 2 hours. It take days. Because I started working after collecting the firearm, after shooting the test.
Yes.
Then Tuesday, Wednesday, I was busy on the microscope with all those exhibits. I can't remember, but my report, I started compiling my report on Friday.
Yes.
Yebo angisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi ngenzani. Ngoba phela kuyona into eyathatha ihora noma amahora. Into eyenza ukuthi ngasebenza lo msebenzi kusukela ngawo lesibili ngaqhubeka njalo ngaze ngayofika ngolesihlanu la engakubhala khona ngaqala khona ukubhala umbiko wami.
Thank you. Now, with that addendum to your answer, should I then understand you to mean that at some stage you were tired working on this exercise or on this experiment, on this examination? It took you almost a week, so it drained you. Do I understand you to mean that?
Mhlawumbe ngazi noma ngizwisisa kahle ni kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi usho ukuthi umsebenzi lona wakhathalisa kakhulu ukuze ukuthi emva kweviki usenza lo msebenzi wawusuphelelwe amandla.
My Lord, when I'm working on the microscope, once I feel that my eyes are tired, I've been working on the microscope for a long time, my eyes are tired. And that you'll start missing some of the markings. So I'll rather stop and then I'll continue when it's either the next morning or when I maybe after a long break and I come start working on it. So that's why I said it didn't take me a day, it took me a long time.
Yes.
Ya uma sengisebenzeke ngemicroscope ngibuka lapha isikhathi eside kenzela ukuthi amahlo ami akhathale mase ngibona ukuthi ngifinyelela kuleso simo ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi ke uma usubhekile ukhathele amehlo ngabe sabona abonisise kahle so ke engikwenzayo ukuthi uma kunjalo ngeke ngizinike isikhathi sokuthi ngiphumule uma ukuthi emva kwesikhathi ngiyazizwa sengingconyana ngibuyele uqhubeke emsebenzini yikho ke nje ukuthi lo msebenzi lona wagcina uthatha isikhathi eside ngakho lokhu ukuthi ngifanele ngizinike isikhathi sokuthi ngiwaphumuza amehlo.
No, thank you. I quite agree with you on that one. Some other things, they can be very draining. But then are you then saying that the nature of this exercise, this comparison, was it a tedious and a difficult one? So which is the reason why it took you so many days?
Because ukuthi ke lo msebenzi lo ukuhlola nokuqhathanisa umsebenzi osinda kakhulu because ukuthi ke ikona okwenza ukuthi uthathe isikhathi eside.
My Lord, with such exhibits from such a bullet that is one out, it takes time for you to look at those things, and it takes time for you to see all your markings properly.
Kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi wenze lo msebenzi kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ubone zonke impawu ufuna ukuzibona uzibone kahle.
Thank you. Now, with that explanation, would it then be correct to say that it was not an easy exercise, it was a difficult exercise? Because you had to go into the system and compare, come back out of the system, go back and compare. It wasn't really a simple exercise. It was a tedious exercise. Do I understand you to mean that?
Manje ngizwisisa kahle ke yini ukuthi usho ukuthi lo msebenzi lo kwakumsebenzi okhathalisayo umsebenzi onzima kwangeyona into elula ukuthi wenze lo msebenzi okukhathalisa ngoba ufanele ungene emshinini uyophuma ubuye ungene ubuye uqhathanise ngasonke isikhathi ngizwisisa kahle yini ukuthi kwakunzima lo msebenzi.
My Lord, I would say as long as you started, you've identified maybe the grooves that are visible that you can see on your exhibit.
Yes.
When you start with those other tests,
Yes.
you can check your test. You keep on marking them. Maybe after some time, you know which marks bullets you have marked.
Yes.
You start looking at them. Then you can, from there, you start doing a follow-up. When you say it's a follow-up,
Yes.
if you haven't, you start rotating them simultaneously, looking at the relative same position on both items
Yes.
for more marks.
Yes.
Into eyenzekayo ukuthi-ke uma ukuthi uyahlola-ke uyayithola le miselo oyitholayo bese uyamakha lapho ukuthi ngithola umselo thize nothize. Uma usuqedile-ke lo uyathatha-ke lezi iy'nhlamvu zombili uzibeke ubusuzihlola zombili lokuqhathanisa ubone ukuthi ngiyayithola yini le miselo le ekhona lapha kulezi iy'nhlamvu imiseleka eyimpawu ezicishe kube ziyabonakala ukuthi ziyafana yini.
And to clear it up, it's not that it took me the whole week to do that. I've checked it, and thereafter I gave it to my colleagues to check. So they also took some time, but not, I would say, not as much time as I took.
But yeah, mase ngiqedile ukwenza lo msebenzi ngiyawuthatha ngonike akusho ukuthi ngithathe iviki lonke kodwa ke ngikwenzile ukuthi mase ngiqedile ke ukwenza lo msebenzi phela ngonika ke nala ngisebenza nabo uthi nabo abahlole and yikho ke ngithi lo msebenzi uthatha isikhathi eside.
Is it correct, Sam, or that the reason why you had to take such amount of time, which was a bit longish, was the fact that you were struggling with the fact that there was no consistent transfer of the marks from the firearm into your test bullets?
Manje kusho ukuthi ke into yenza ukuthi uthatha isikhathi eside kangaka ukuthi ke zasingekho izimpawu ezibonakalayo ukuthi sitholakala ngaso sonke isikhathi endaweni eyodwa kuzo zonke lezi zinhlamvu lezi owuthesta ngazo.
I think I've answered that previously. I said there was no consistent marking on those, and when you start comparing them, you will see those markings as time goes on.
Thank you.
Yiko ngishilo ukuthi yebo sasingekho izimpawu ezingaguquguquki kodwa ke uma lokuqhubeka ubheka ugcina uzibonile lezi zimpawu kulezinye inhlamvu.
Which is the reason why I'm saying to you that the fact that there was no consistency of the transfer of the mark from the firearm into your test bullet is what compounded your process to compare these exhibits. In other words, you had to redouble your efforts to go and look at those marks which would have enabled you to do your comparison, not so?
Kusho ukuthi ke lokhu kufifiyela ukuzama ukuthola lezi zimpawu kona okwenze ukuthi uphindaphinde uloku uzama ukufuna lezi zimpawu okugcineke ukuthatha isikhathi eside kunjalo.
That's correct.
Yebo kunjalo.
Thank you. Would also that be the reason that the fact that you had to take time and you have just considered to say that's correct, that it was because of this challenge that was there, that this firearm does not necessarily transfer the information that I wanted to transfer into the test bullet. So I must just get what I want. Would that also be the reason why you had to go and confirm with your 4 colleagues that, guys, am I really right here? Would that also be the reason?
Ngisho kunjalo ke yini ukuthi njengoba ke sasingabonakali kahle lezi zimpawu la wagcina uthola ukuthi ke nomsebenzi wokuzama ukuthi ngempela uzifune uzithole lezi zimpawu okwagcina ke kumthwalo kuwena ufinyeleka lapho ke wagcina usuthi musutholele ukutholile waseyokubiza nalabo osebenza nabo wathi aningisizeni bandla yizona ngempela yini lezi zimpawu engizithola la.
No, my lord. The reason why it took me time, I wanted to convince myself until I'm certain that this is the right firearm, to see enough markings that this is the right firearm that I'm working with.
Thank you.
Cha into enza ukuthi ngithathe isikhathi eside ukuthi ngangizama mina ukuzinika isiqiniseko sokuthi ngempela ngisona ngempela lesi sibhamu lesi ebengicanga ukuthi yiso.
Now let's go back to the new generation ammunition. We're not done with it.
Ake siphindele ku new generation ammunition. Asaqedi ngayo.
Now, in comparing this new generation ammunition with the scene exhibit, what did you find?
Manje uma usuqhathanisa ke inhlamvu ezivela new generation ammunition nenhlamvu evela endaweni yesigameko yini koyayithola?
Well, I compared all the bullets with this, including the new generation's ammunition, where I could see the similarities when I rotate them. Even though I couldn't see them all around the circumference of the bullet or all around the bullet, but there were some striations that I could match on these exhibits. And when I compare those, I don't say that because this is new generation, I'll put it aside and new generation, I'll take any of those bullets. So I cannot say with new generation, this is what I did. With FMJ, this is what I did. I compared it with all the bullets.
Cha mangihlola lapha bengihlola zonke inhlamvu ezikhona bengaveli ngithatha inhlamvu ngithi sekuyinhlamvu yakanye generations ammunition la bese ngiyayiqhathanisa cha ngihlola zonke inhlamvu ukuzama ukubona ukuthi zikhona yini lezi impawu engizifunayo.
Yes, I'm taking it step by step. Look, we're done with the FMJ. Now we're busy with the NGA. Let's for a moment cast our mind away from this other bullet, test bullet. Let's talk NGA versus the SIN bullet. Do you understand?
My lord, it's not going to be possible to say that NGA specifically. As I said, I've compared with all the bullets. So I'm not going to say with NGA I did this and this and this. I compared with all the bullets.
Hayi ngesipinde lapha ku-MGA siyobhekisisa ukuthi wagcina uthola ukuthi hayi cha angingahloli kuphela ngiqhathaniswe MGA engangihlola izo zonke lezi inhlamvu ukuthi ziyatholakala yini lezi mpawu engangizifuna.
Now, you had marked your test bullets number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up to 10, if I'm not mistaken. Eh?
That's correct.
Sizihlolela ke zonke inhlamvu ukusuka ku 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 no 10 kunjalothi yebo kunjalo.
Now, what number, in terms of the sequence of the numbering of your test bullets, did you number these NGA bullets?
Nje inhlamvu lesi senza MGA njengoba ke kunohluke lokhu marka lezi inhlamvu zonke zona ke wawuzinike ziphi inamba.
I cannot recall which one was of the NGA did I mark, because when I mark them all being on from the same spot.
Cha ngiyakhumbula ukuthi iziphi ke engangizimakhile ukuthi ziphezulu NGA ngoba ngazimakha zonke ukuthi lezi zindawonye.
Thank you. You can't recall.